Alright, so you need to make sure you have this note sheet from the cabinet in the back, the black cabinet in the back, and we are going to run over just Learning Target 3.1, which is dealing with the product rule, or multiplying with exponents, and dividing with exponents. So we've already done a little bit with this, but I want to make sure we formalize it. So x to the third times x to the fifth, and we're going to write that out in what's called expanded form. Expanded form is where we write out each of the letters or numbers if we were taking a variable number to an exponent. And I'm going to put them in parentheses so that you can kind of see that we've got 3 here and we've got 5 here. So all together we have 8 x's. So that's why that is x to the 8th. Alright, so that's why we add their exponents, because 3 plus 5 is 8. There's 3 x's, there's 5 x's, so that means that we have 8 x's. Alright, so let's do this next one. A to the 4th, a to the 6th. There's 4 a's, and there's 6 a's. If you count them all up, we have 10 a's. So it'll be a to the 10th. Okay. Next one's a little bit different. Here we have 5 w's and 1 w, but we also have the 3, so I'm going to put the 3 here. And we have 5 w's, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we've got the 2, and we just have 1 w here. Okay? And that w doesn't have a 1 as the exponent, but it could. We just don't put that when it's to the first power as a general rule. So if we look at this, though, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 w's, so we'll put w to the 6th. And then sometimes people want to add these, but we're multiplying here, so, and it's not an exponent, and we don't have more than one of them. We just got 1, 3, and 1, 2. So what's 2 times 3? 6. So it is 6w to the 6th power. Alright? Last one, when we have 3 numbers, b, 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 times b, 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 times b, b, b. Okay? So then we have all of these all together here, which means that we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have b to the 10th power. Alright, so that is the product rule. So let's go down and talk about the quotient rule. Quotient rule, let's write all these out. We've got 5 w's on the top, 3, 4, 5, draw your line, and we have 2 w's on the bottom. Alright, and w divided by w is just 1, so we can cancel out a pair of w's. We can cancel out another pair of w's, and that's how we end up with w to the 3rd power. Okay. So if you look here, 5 minus 2 is 3, but the reason it works is because we're canceling out the w's. Alright, let's try the next one. Y to the 10th over y to the 5th. So I've got 10 y's, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 y's over 5 y's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 y's. So I can cancel these 5 y's out, and I'm left with 5 y's on the top. So y to the 5th. Okay. Last one that we're going to do is 8d to the 3rd over 4d to the 5th. I'm going to write that out with 3 d's on the top, but I also have the 8. And then I'm going to put the 4 and then 5 d's on the bottom. 2, 3, 4, 5 d's on the bottom. Okay. Now when I cancel these out, this cancels out, this cancels out, this cancels out. So I have 2 d's left, and they're in the denominator. Alright, so they've got to stay in the denominator. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. So I've got 2 with 2 d's in the denominator. So d squared in the denominator. So if you look at this, we subtracted 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Alright, that's something we're going to talk about in the next set of rules in 3.2. Alright, so go ahead and try some of the practices for this on IXL or Khan, and then what I'd like you to do is then we'll go ahead and watch the videos for Learning Target 3.2. Thanks.